Na-witness na namin yung confirmation of charges si Duterte na before is na-postpone, and we're satisfied with how ICC presented everything from different sides ng ano po, diba?
You take us through the experience of you walking into that courtroom. Kamusta po? Kinabahan ba kayo? Nanginig ba kayo? What were your thoughts?
I don't feel any anxiety walking inside, but I feel satisfied and happy instead because we waited for this for a long time. 2018 pa nung nag-communicate kami, and it took us years and years bago po finally mag-proceed sa confirmation of charges.
And ano po yung na-feel nyo nung si Attorney Kaufman na yung nagpa-present nung side ng dating Pangulo na sinasabi niya cherry-picking lang yung mga statements, yung media ina-exaggerate lang daw, pinipaint in a negative light yung dating